hillside. The people are working by day and by night. They don't sow potatoes, nor barley, nor wheat, but there's gangs of them digging for gold in the street. At least when I asked them, that's what I was told. So I just took a hand at this digging for gold. And for all that I find there, I might as well be in the place where the dark morns sweep down to the sea. There's beautiful girls here, oh never you mind. Beautiful shapes nature never designed. Lovely complexions of roses and cream. But let me remark with regard to the same, for if at those roses you venture to sip, the colors might all come away on your lips. So I'll wait, for the white rose is waiting for me in the place where the dark morns sweep down to the sea. Young Danny McLaren, oh, of course, sure now he's round here with the rest of the force. I saw him one day as I was crossing the Strand, and he stopped the whole street with a wave of his hand. And as we stood talking of days that are gone, the whole town of London stood there to look on. And for all his great powers, he's wishful like me to be back where the dark morns sweep down to the sea. And for all his great powers, he's wishful like me to be back where the dark morns sweep down to the sea.